day 6. We found the deer. We cooked it, and we still have leftovers, man. We got really lucky, really lucky. But there is one thing. There's possible of a bad storm coming in, so we really need to get this roof up.
We can get the hatchet and start cutting on some of these good limbs down.
Yeah, let's get to work.
It looks like I'm going to have to come call too.
Back at the fire.
Huh?
Back at the fire is Jacob is preparing to cook lunch. Yeah, I'm trying to cook and all that, But on the other hand, Peyton is trying to get stuff for the roof.
What's up, guys? It's really hard out here trying to get all this stuff, especially when it's really cold out. All these metal machinery that they gave us, handheld machinery. It's helping, but at the same time it's freezing, really freezing cold. So just wish us luck, and we'll see how I do next time.